Grade 8 English. Notice writing.
ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. We meditate on that most adored Supreme Lord, the Creator, whose divine light illuminates all physical, mental, and spiritual beings. May this divine light brighten our intellect as well. In today's writing section, we have notice writing. We will be covering the points, thought of the day, vocabulary enhancement, definition of notice, important contents, points to remember, main features of notice writing, format of notice, energizer, let's recall, board questions, practice question with answer key, story time, English corner and brain teaser. Today's thought of the day is do what is right, not what is easy. It is important to remember, children, that ethics are the most important thing in a person's life. There may be some temptations in your life to cheat or go with a decision that you don't agree morally, but it is important to do what is right and ethical. In today's vocabulary enhancement section, a new word for you is intrepid, which means extremely brave and showing no fear of dangerous situations. Make sentence. Our intrepid doctors are working day and night to find cure of the COVID-19. Part of speech, adjective, synonyms, dauntless, courageous, and antonyms, fearful, cowardly. So let's proceed with our notice writing. What is a notice? It is a formal means of communication, a written announcement. What is a purpose? To announce, to display specific information to a specific group of people, to be pinned on school boards, public places, or newspapers. Important contents for notice writing. Name of the organization issuing a notice, the title notice, catchy heading, date and body of the notice, writer's sign, name and designation. Children, 5 W's for notice writing. First one is what. What is the event? Second, where the event will take place, that is venue. Next important question, when. When is the time and date. Next, who, which certain section of people will be benefited from the notice, and last, that is whom, for further inquiries, for further details, whom to contact. So these are 5 W's which is very important in notice writing. So children, we will be proceeding with another set of points to remember. It must contain complete information. The order of presentation should be clear. State the purpose of notice clearly. Underline notice and title. It should be presented within a box and you have to draw the box with a pencil. Written in passive voice, that is always third person. Word limit should be 40 to 50 words. Catchy and appealing heading and the content should be to the point. Provide all the important information and no hypothetical notes or facts should be used. Should not cause miscommunication, misunderstanding or confusion. No personal pronouns used. Grammatically it should be correct and marks are deducted for exceeding word limit. Now we will proceed with main features for notice writing. First one is format. It includes the word, notice, date, heading, writer's name and designation. Content, it must answer the question as we have already discussed earlier, 5 W's, that is what, when, where, how, who, whom, etc. Expression, it relates to the overall organization and relevance of the content as well as grammatical accuracy and fluency. We have already discussed before in points to remember. And you can just see the marking scheme: 1 mark for format, 2 marks for your content, 1 mark for expression, which makes 4 marks. And most important thing, children, focus on the presentation and clarity of your content. Children, just go through this format, all the points as we have discussed earlier in our previous slide, that what things are important, and the name of the organization, then the word notice written, then the date of issue, then title, body, that is content, which will include date, time, duration, place, venue, and your authorized signatory who is there with name, designation and signature. So this is the format for you. So children, with this note, we have come to our energizer time. So what is there for you today? Since all of you are home, how about energizing yourself with some nutritional cooking? So your job is to prepare something nutritional and healthy snacks item or anything for yourself and your family. Don't forget to write the details like what was the recipe, its name, ingredients, how it was prepared, how it can be healthy to eat, and your family's feedback. So we will surely be sharing all the recipes in class once our school resumes. But important thing is, whatever you do, do it safely. Let's come to our let's recall section. We will be just summarizing what we have done in our previous slides. Notice, what is notice? A written announcement, formal communication. It is in a box drawn with pencil. Don't exceed the word limit, and no hypothetical information and facts. Keep it short, to the point. 5 W's, we all know what are they: what, where, when, who, whom. Underline the word notice and title, and it should be very captivating. Focus on the presentation and clarity. Children, board question for you. While walking in a park in your neighborhood, you found a small plastic bag containing some documents and some cash. You have to write a notice in about 50 words to be put on the park notice board asking the owner to identify and collect it from you. So you are Amar and Amrita, and this is your phone number. So this is a CBSE 2017 board question, and the sample answer is here. So children, another practice question for you. You are Rahul or Reena. Due to sudden rise in COVID-19, your school declares a 3-week closure. As a secretary of your school, draft a notice to be displayed at the school main gate. So this is a sample answer for you, but I will suggest you that you should write on your own, and then you can cross-check your answer with this answer key. Children, we have come to our story segment, Boy's Job Appraisal. What is the story? Here it is for you, that a little boy went into a drugstore, reached for a soda carton and pulled it over to the telephone. He climbed on the carton so that he could reach the buttons on the phone and proceeded to punch its 7 digits. The store owner observed and listened to the conversation. Boy: Lady, can you give me the job of cutting your lawn? Woman at the other end: I already have someone to cut my lawn. Boy: Lady, I will cut your lawn for half the price of the person who cuts your lawn now. Woman: I am very much satisfied with the person who is presently cutting my lawn. Boy says: Lady, I will even sweep your curb and your sidewalk. On a Sunday you will have the prettiest lawn in all of the Palm Beach, Florida. Woman: No, thank you. With a smile on his face, the little boy replaced the receiver. The store owner, who was listening to all this, walked over to the boy. Store owner said: Son, I like your attitude. I like that positive spirit and would like to offer you a job. Boy said: No thanks. Store owner asked: But you were really pleading for the one. Boy: No sir, I was just checking my performance at the job I already have. I am the one who is working for that lady I was talking to. What is the moral of the story? That is what we call self-appraisal. Every time if we don't get ahead of others, we blame others for it. We should look to ourselves and compare, find own weakness and work hard to throw away that weakness. Always work hard, honest and with full dedication. It will always pay. So children, we have come to our English corner. Our Mr. Owl has come up with another new did you know fact, that the most commonly used letter in the alphabet is E. And what is another thing? That it's not about ideas, it's about making ideas happen. Now who said this? Scott Belsky, co-founder of Behance. It's is a way to highlight the importance of something. For example, it's about doing a good job, means what is important is to do a good job. Make it happen, it is an expression that means to get things done. For example, if you want to get a promotion, then just make it happen, means you should earn the promotion. Okay, the full quote means that ideas themselves are not important. What is more important, that how you are implementing those ideas, how you are taking the action to make those ideas become possible. So that is more important. Implementation is what counts. Children, in today's brain teaser segment, previous riddle answer is there for you. It's a stamp, and for your next riddle, next food of thought is, what is always in front of you but you can't see, but it can't be seen. So this is a riddle for you. Keep thinking and be ready with your answer till our next session. Goodbye children.